Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix Valorant transaction decline. So first up here on your home screen, you just need to click on the search box at the bottom and we're gonna search for Windows Security and then just click on that application. Then here on the settings, you just need to click on this firewall and network protection. Now here on this settings, you just need to tap on this allow an app to firewall. So click on this settings here. Now as you can see, it will show up this box right here. So the first one here, you just need to find the Apache HTTP server. And once you found that one, you just need to tap on this change settings. And then you just need to check this public on this box right there. Then the second one here, you just need to search for branch cache content retrieval. Then same method here, you just need to tap or click on change settings, then click on public. And then the third one here is the branch cache peer discovery. So what you're going to do, again, just check that box on public. So once you've done, you just need to click on this OK button right here at the bottom of your screen. So if you follow that simple steps, it should be fixed the problem on your Valorant transaction decline. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.